All right, April 23rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Very wet 36 hours ahead for us. Let's get right into it. There's a look during the 5 a.m. hour at Winston-Salem State University. Clouds arriving. No rain yet in the Triad as I cut the video, but it's coming. Temperature 56 degrees there. We'll look down at the Queen City. Same deal. Clouds. Not a lot of rain as of yet. Again, during the 5 a.m. hour, but it's working into the region. 58 degrees there in Charlotte. There's your temperatures across the Carolinas just prior to 6 a.m. This is a moisture-packed system. This system has tropical moisture origins all the way down from the western parts of the Caribbean Sea and the Bahamas, working up into our region, feeding right into this incoming storm system. So there's the big picture across the lower 48. You look at futurecast, certainly you get the idea. A lot of rain across our part of the world here over the next 36 hours or so. So again, early today, this was the radar during the 4 and 5 o'clock hours. Rain from eastern Missouri into southern Illinois, Indiana, down into Kentucky, eastern Tennessee, westernmost North Carolina, western South Carolina, and Georgia. Pretty good swath of rain. Now here's the high-resolution rapid refresh model, the hourly computer model showing you the future radar today. That rain working into the region, and it just kind of slowly spreads in from southwest to northeast, and the heaviest period of rain for a lot of the Piedmont is going to be this evening and tonight as the core of the system works on through the region. So kind of a double barrel low pressure. Eventually the one over Georgia and moving into South Carolina will take over. Rain for a lot of the Piedmont can be relatively light, say Greensboro and Raleigh regions today, heavier down towards Charlotte, and then everybody sees the rain intensity picking up this evening and on into tonight. Breezy conditions, in fact downright windy at times in the mountains. Anybody in the Piedmont could see wind gusts, especially this evening and tonight, upwards of 25, 30 plus, maybe 40 plus miles per hour here and there, so very windy weather scenario with this system. There's your highs across the region today and lows tonight. Still rain at times for our Tuesday before it tapers off to some extent late in the day. There's our Tuesday highs. Now let's talk rain totals here. This is what Futurecast is showing across the region. A couple of bullseye zones. One will be the mountains and the foothills. The other will wind up being, I think, closer to the coast, which I'll show you on the European in just a second. But anybody west of Interstate 77 in the Piedmont could pick up 2-3 plus inches of rain, and there'll be some bullseyes there in parts of the mountains and the adjacent higher foothill elevations that maybe pick up 5 or 6 plus inches of rain. There's the European model, and again, there's your two bullseye zones, one near the coast and the other in the mountains in the adjacent foothill area. So you have flood watches up for the mountains, at least many mountain spots, and the foothills for this storm system. Now, as we get into Wednesday, I think lingering scattered showers a possibility, getting milder. There's our Wednesday afternoon highs, and I think the rain chance is pretty low at this point for Thursday and Friday, and at this juncture, the weekend looks pretty good. A couple more disturbances headed our way later in the week. For instance, this is the European model for Thursday, one disturbance moving through, and then there's another one coming in Friday night. And so depending on how those disturbances behave, I can't totally rule out a shower chance with either one of those, but by and large, the rain chances, once we get past, say, the scattered showers on Wednesday, look relatively low, at least as of now. Okay, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Everybody stay dry, have a wonderful day, and God bless.